And today I'm going to be going over the latest update for the 4K Freesat boxes. This is version 1.5.0 and was released on the 25th of October. First off, they've changed some settings in the picture and sound settings, and you can now select HDMI and optical audio output modes independently. You can also toggle the HDMI CEC whether you want it on or off, and if you don't know what that is, that's where when you turn on your Freesat box, if you're on a different source on your TV, it'll automatically switch and you don't have to go through your source list basically. And on some TVs, when you turn on your TV or you change to that source input, it'll actually turn on the Freesat box automatically. You can also reset Netflix settings, so if the Netflix app is playing up or something, you can reset the settings. Failed recordings now have additional contextual information, so you can better understand why a recording failed, whereas before it was very vague, so now it should give you at least a little bit more information. On-demand player apps can now be shown and launched from Showcase, and they've also added hard drive repair options, so when the hard drive is playing up, if it's failing or assume overheating, it gives you more options basically. They've also fixed an issue where boxes would get stuck on a black screen or the Freesat logo when switching it on. They've also fixed the no data available, and when you're flicking through channels quickly, you shouldn't get no data available on the program information. They've also fixed some issues with the info panel when in time shift mode and when using the 1 and 3 line guides. So they call it 1 and 3 line guides. I call it, because we used to have Sky, so on Sky it used to be called the search and scan banner, which is basically when you're watching live TV and you press select or the arrow keys, that little thing at the bottom that comes up, that's what they're on about there, but that's basically what it is. They've also improved audio mapping to resolve some sound problems, and the Freesat box now remembers the last tuned channel after a reboot. They've also fixed a few issues with search and fixed issues with recordings management when the hard drives are getting full. And they've also made lots of reliability and stability improvements. And that last one I've really noticed, because since this update, I've noticed that the box is actually a lot faster now, and it's much nicer to use. So yeah, that's everything from this update. You can see where I got this from in the link in the description. I just thought I'd make a video on it so you can better understand what's going on, and with certain things you can actually see what they've changed as well, so you can, in case you're wondering what that is, then at least you can see it in this video. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.